Hello kids, welcome back to my channel Learn with Pahadi. Today we are learning A B C D E 1 2 3 4 5. This is our colors. Red color, light green color, sky blue color, dark green color, yellow color, pink color, black color, brown color, purple color, baby pink color, blue color, orange color. A B C D E one two three four five G H I J K 6 7 8 9